Hello folks, we are looking at Stone Temple Pilots Naked Sunday for Noah Gardea over at Patreon. So you have him to thank for this one. Great fun this is, I tell you, and it's got a superb tone. Using the new Nautilus. Cheeky look at the neck. Oh, good grief. I'm just getting to grips with this thing. It is magnificent. And I'm using the Funny Little Boxes prototype again. I've been using it for all sorts of stuff. This is it without chorus. Meaty, right? And I'm also using the Echo Fix chorus vibrato, which adds a ton of fatness. So the first part goes like this. And it plays that round twice, okay? This is the beginning. So we do, let me take the chorus off just for a sec. You've got a down, mute, down, mute, down. And then to a C. And this first chord here is called 688. So you can play it like that, or like that, or like that, you know, however you want to do it. I think Dean probably plays it like this. That's the same as bar 1, and then we have... Okay, some people I'm seeing tapping it like a C7. I don't hear that note, or that note, but you definitely hear that one. But I think what he does... And it's way more pronounced when you hear him play it live. There's a version you can clearly hear what he's playing. And I think what he's doing there is playing the C. That rings out the root, but then he takes his little finger off, or his third finger, whatever he's using there, and then you do an upstroke. Just catching those three strings. Like that, okay? And that's it. Once you can play that, you can play pretty much the rest of the song. The next part's a little bit more frantic because you've got this. So the first part goes like that. And then you change. And here, you can either do... That's straightforward enough, right? Down, up, down. Then I palm mute here. And I'm also covering all the strings here. 3 whacks, another stab, and then we have like that. You could do an extra 16th note if it's easier there, so you'd have like that. So slowly, with the extra 16th note, you'd play and then that's easier, but I don't think he does play that. I think he plays... That's the first and the third times. Then you alternate with that. With that. On the album, it sounds like he's playing... doing maybe a little bit more, but I think there's 2 guitar parts going on. But now, what he plays is just that. That going on, right? That's the second and the fourth time. Then we're going to this riff C, I'm calling it. So we have little fill as well. That's it. That's the only difference. You can chuck that in on the halfway through the second beat, right? Then this goes around twice. This is just the chords. Like that. Then you go back into this other riff. I think at this point you know all the riffs, right? But this is the structure now. So then we have this riff again. That bit again, right? You do that round 4 times with the bit. Then this part is played with wah. Forgot to plug it in, but you know what a wah sounds like. It goes like this. Then you play riff C twice, which is the same as this. With that fill, right? Then you do riff D again, which is just the chords. You do that twice. After that, we've got this cool solo. Quite crazy solo, actually. I'm going to put the chorus back on for this. But it comes in on the forehand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got that going on, right? So we have, where am I? 10th fret, 11th fret. Bend that up. I'll turn the chorus off for a sec. So we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That going on. But with the chorus. Got that stuff going on, right? Half step bend and release there. Then we have, this runs quick. I think that might be with chorus too. Not sure. Either way, sounds cool. It's this slowly. And then. Okay, slowly again. Okay, and then we come in at the end then, what's this, 18th fret I think it is, which goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're bending up the 18th fret, I'm using my third finger. And then you play that when you hit it. And give it a bit of a shake. And then that's about it, I think, right? So then we have riff A. The intro riff. Then you go into riff B. Do that 8 times this time, and then you end on riff A, which is this. And you do that twice, and then you end. That, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.